Alright, this is going to be a quick video on how to make your own torrent with utorrent and how to share large files with your friends. So we'll navigate to our folder. I'm already here of the file that you want to share. So I'm going to share Windows XP Pro Service Pack 3 activated that I've downloaded off of Pirates Bay. I'm going to go ahead and click Start and utorrent. If you don't have utorrent installed, you can just go to utorrent.com and download it and install it. It's free of charge. It's an easy click, next, and it's installed. So how we go about this is we take our folder that we want to share and we'll drag it into utorrent, and then we'll just let go. It's going to say unable to load. Click OK. And then it's going to say to send files. We'll click get link. It will do its thing. It will create a tiny URL that will link your friends to the file. So as you can see here, the share link, we can go ahead, we can copy that. I guess I could have just clicked here, would have been just as easy. And as you can see, we're seeding. So we'll open up a browser. Alright. Now, say this is your friend, you gave him the link, you want to share that that Windows XP with them. Your friend will put in the URL that you gave them, the link to the file. We'll hit enter. From here, if your friend doesn't have utorrent, they can download utorrent. You can click download now if they have it installed, or you can use the magnet link. So I found that the download now doesn't always work. Sometimes it gives you this page here, but then if I do click the magnet link, it seems to work fine. So in this case, it's going to tell me that I already have the torrent since I'm the one that's seeding it. But if I wasn't seeding it, it would go ahead and download it like any other torrent from Pirates Bay or wherever you download your files from. So that's a quick and easy way to share large folders with your friends. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.